What's up, guys? This your boy NoChill Chad checking in. It's been a little rainy, wet weather, and I was like, I really ain't had enough time to really kind of just do some projects on the new ride. Um, but what I do have today is it's got a little order from Screamin Chicken. You may or may not be familiar with them. They service third, fourth, fifth, sixth gen parts. Good guy. Spoke to them, got some advice. So I actually grabbed some of their Morimoto. Let's see, you can see that here. They got some Morimoto fog lights for the fourth gen Camaro. Let me just show you why I want to go and upgrade these. I think one of the biggest things with a lot of older cars is lighting. Lighting just improves, of course, driving, and lighting improves just making the car look good. You know what I'm saying? Older cars with updated lighting definitely improves a lot of this stuff. As you can see, you got the little projector bulbs on the fourth gen, but one of the brackets are broke over here, so this one tends to move a little bit. So I was just gonna buy some LED bulbs for it, but I was like, you know what? You know how I do. I try to get like the best of the best, the brightest of the bright. So I just wanted to upgrade to their projector bulbs for the 410. So I received everything from them, and they definitely boxed it and wrapped it well. So I do appreciate that. These guys are located in Dallas, so literally just took them no time. Let's see here. Open immediately, completely inspect. You got 24 hours. All right, so let's go and inspect what we got. Screamin Chicken decal. When I did speak to them, I was curious about exactly what did it come with. Did I need new brackets? You know, because I had researched online everywhere to see if I could find them cheaper, or just do some research. Well, once I called the company, one second, and I was asking him those same questions that I was looking for online, he stated that these are bulbs, I think from a Volkswagen or something. But he actually makes his own brackets. So I wanted to just check out the quality of this stuff. So, wow. Brackets are powder coated. Look at that projector, man. That's like super crystal clear. Brackets look great. And it's just an easy bolt on. You just remove the old one and then bolt up the new one. So I think he's got new bolts. Yep. So boom, it's literally just two bolts. And then you're gonna unscrew these screws right here to just adjust them and aim them. So I'm actually impressed, really impressed by this. Got the sheathing around the wires, heat shrink. I mean, the powder coat on this is real smooth. This is actually impressive. So, what I'm probably gonna do is go and get started on this little install real quick. What I'm gonna try to do first is I'm gonna try to take my headlamps out first, and then take the fog lights out of here without having to take off the entire bumper to get to it. So we'll see how that goes. I know you're gonna take this bolt out here. I think it's like a 10 millimeter. There's another one back here. That's a 10 millimeter. And then you're gonna like slide the lamp to the left, and of course you're gonna undo the bulbs, and then the headlamp just literally kind of comes out of here. So boom, screw there, screw on this back side, take out the bulbs, slide the lamp to the left, and lamp should come out. So Let's see what happens. All right, so like I said, we're gonna take out this bolt. There was a bolt right here. Slide the lamp to the left, take out the bulbs, and it opens all of this up. And now you can see where the fog lamp is. So as you can see, that bracket is broke on the fog lamp. So let's see. Connector looks good. And it looks like I just gotta take out these two bolts right here. So after you get these two bolts, it literally just slides out. So that actually was pretty successful. Oh yeah. Now I see why the whole thing broke. So we'll compare these two. Factory OEM. And I've seen people just buy new fog lights instead, which, you know, I could have done. Actually, I probably would have been upset because I was gonna order a new bracket instead of the fog light. So now I know it's actually broken all the way. So it actually broke here and it actually broke there. So let's compare these two. Yeah. They're much larger. They're gonna be much brighter. Most definitely. I like that. So Screamin Chicken, they give you new hardware. So I'm gonna go with the black hardware. It looks a lot better than this OEM. These are 10 millimeters. So you're gonna slide it in this guide here, and then you're just gonna bolt these two up. And then don't forget to plug up your harness. So yeah, it's the daytime, but clearly that looks better than that. So you'll see how bright these are tonight when I pull out. So then what we're gonna do is duplicate that exact same thing on the left side, but while I'm out here doing it, I'm actually going to install my smoked turn signals, the lenses. So I had bought these on eBay, sent them to my local painter, had him tint them. So they're clear lenses, but they're smoke black. And then what I'm gonna do is get the LED switchback bulbs, and I'm gonna get the LED just corner bulbs. They're orange ones. So at least when I'm turning, they're still amber, but I definitely like the black better. It's a little dusty, but you get the picture. Painted, cleared, buffed. They look real good. So you'll see the finishing effect once I go ahead and put this other fog light in, put these corner lamps in. And I think I can still do all of this without taking off the bumper, so I'll let you know how that goes. All right, guys, so I went ahead and just washed the car, detailed the car. I had to aim the lights really as best as I could, to be honest, but I think it's pretty good. But as you can see, those are bright. I definitely need to get my headlights done because it looks weird with the yellowing of the headlights. But what I'm about to do is just detail my engine bay, and yeah. Stay tuned. Those are the Screamin Chicken 98 2002 Camaro fog lights with the Morimoto lights with their custom brackets. But yeah, man, subscribe, like, share. Tell me what else you want to see with this build. Tell me what else you want to see with my next build. Tell me what you want to see with my truck. Whatever it is, just let me know, man. We just getting started. 2021. No Chill Chad checking out. Salute. Y'all guys take it easy. Follow.